Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal to pay online. First, you'll need to set up your free PayPal account. This involves providing your email address and creating a secure password. Once your account is ready, link a funding source like a bank account, debit card, or credit card. Verifying these payment methods adds an important layer of security and ensures smooth transactions when you shop online. When you're ready to make a purchase, simply look for the PayPal option at the online checkout. Clicking this will redirect you to the secure PayPal login page. Enter your credentials and you'll see a summary of your purchase. Take a moment to review all the details, including the total amount, before you confirm the payment. It's a quick and straightforward process. Using PayPal offers several key benefits. Your bank account or card details are never shared directly with merchants, keeping your financial information private. Plus, many eligible purchases are covered by PayPal's purchase protection, giving you peace of mind. For an extra layer of security, consider enabling two-factor authentication on your account, which requires a second verification step for logins. It's a good practice to regularly review your PayPal account activity. You can easily check your transaction history to keep track of all your online payments. Remember to update any linked bank accounts or cards if they expire or change. If you ever encounter an issue or have a question, PayPal's customer support team is readily available to provide assistance and guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.